Hey, Oscar here with Reverie Roasters. Today I'm going to show you how to brew a Chemex. We'll begin by folding a Chemex filter. Fold so one side has 3 layers of paper and the other side has 1. Place into the Chemex with the 3 folds facing the spout of the brewer and fold the front corner forward. Now grab your kettle. Start by pouring hot water into the center of the filter and circle around the edges. This will preheat your brewer and get rid of any papery taste. Discard the water and set the brewer aside. Next, you're gonna place your container onto your scale. Measure 40 grams of your favorite whole bean coffee into the container. Pour the measured coffee into your grinder and grind to a coarse grind setting like a kosher salt. As always, adjust your grind size to your taste. Place your brewer back onto your scale. When that coffee is done grinding, pour the freshly ground coffee into the center of the filter. Then pick up the brewer and shake it gently to even out the brew bed. When you're ready, just gonna take your scale, start your timer, and grab your kettle. Starting at the center, pour in small circles out to the edges. Stop pouring when your scale reads 100 grams. At this point, grab a spoon and stir the coffee several times gently back and forth. Whenever your timer hits 30 seconds, resume pouring. We're going to start at the center and spiral to the edge of the brewer before spiraling back to the center. Continue pouring into the center until your scales reach 300 grams and then stop your pour. Wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds have passed, begin pouring again and stay at the center, pouring until your scale reaches 600 grams. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds and then carefully grab the neck of the brewer. Pick up the brewer and swirl the coffee clockwise. This will even out the brew bed and regulate the end of the brew. Whenever the coffee is done dripping, discard the filter and serve into your favorite vessel. Thank you for watching. Peace.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to catch all of our new videos as they come out, or give us a follow online at Reverie Roasters.